Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Rocket Money subscription management. Rocket Money is a service that helps you manage your subscriptions and track your spending. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to set up Rocket Money and start managing your subscriptions. First, you need to sign up for a Rocket Money account. To do this, go to the Rocket Money website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. Once you have signed up, you will receive an email to verify your account. After verifying your account, you will be asked to link your bank account or credit card to Rocket Money. This will allow Rocket Money to track your spending and identify your subscriptions. You can link multiple accounts to Rocket Money to get a complete picture of your spending. Once you have linked your accounts, Rocket Money will start tracking your subscriptions. You can view a list of all your subscriptions in the Rocket Money dashboard. From here you can see the name of the subscription, the cost, and the date it is due to be paid. You can also cancel any subscriptions you no longer want from the dashboard. Rocket Money also offers a feature called subscription tracking. This feature allows you to track all your subscriptions in one place and receive notifications when a subscription is due to be paid. You can also set up custom alerts to notify you when a subscription is canceled or changed. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is best to regularly review your subscriptions and cancel any you no longer need. You can also use Rocket Money to negotiate lower rates with service providers. Rocket Money offers a feature called bill negotiation, which allows you to negotiate lower rates with service providers such as cable and internet companies. In conclusion, setting up Rocket Money subscription management is a simple process that can help you save money and track your spending. By following these steps, you can start managing your subscriptions and taking control of your finances. Remember to regularly review your subscriptions and cancel any you no longer need to get the most out of Rocket Money.